Alright guys, so here's a little deck in Union. This is the Union KY Sun deck. We spilled grease on it, all going down the stairs, taking the grill and all that down. You can see the mildew growth, the sun damage, the fasteners that are under attack by water. You can see all that, right? There's a couple planks in here that we're going to replace. This is getting ready to get engulfed with Kong armor. But before that happens, we got a responsibility to get this bad boy clean to promote excellent adhesion. Okay? Adhesion is the very foundation. Cleaning, is the very foundation of doing a good deck painting project. And that's what we have to do here. We have to get this stuff up off here. You see this? This is years of dirt and grime, mildew, all this type stuff. This is getting ready to come off here. Stand by. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like when it's done.